Special Forces officer from Lahore, Sayeda Abida Hussain, former federal minister and former diplomat. She's been Pakistani ambassador to the USA. Last time she came on the news, she called Hafiz Saeed some kind of a social activist. We'll confront her tonight. RSN Singh, former RAW officer from the Indian side. General G.D. Bakshi, editor of Indian Military Review. KC Singh, former Secretary, Ministry of External Affairs. And Seshadri Chari, convener of the Foreign Affairs Cell of the BJP. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us. So, Brigadier Javed Hussain, will you take the bodies of these 6 Pakistanis, jihadis, who were sent over by your Pakistani army, headed by, a man called Qari Israr, who is of the Lashkar-e-Toiba? Will you take their bodies back?
I think your thoughts are being generated on false presumptions. What makes you think that they were Lashkar-e-Taiba or any other militant group? You have told us that.
So you are disowning them. So you are doing a Kargil here.
Let me finish.
So you send the people and then you say, so who are these? Who are these people?
Let me finish.
These 6 bodies.
Otherwise I'll protest.
So I'm telling you, are these 6 bodies Pakistani or not?
Not a debate.
Are these 6 bodies Pakistani or not?
You called me to take part in a debate.
Are they Pakistani?
You have to have the patience to listen to me.
These 6 you sent, are they Pakistani?
Otherwise I'll just keep quiet.
Are they Pakistani, sir?
Ask somebody else. Ask an Indian panelist.
But I'm asking
who is never
you.
Interrupted.
I can give you the proof. Any
ahead.
doubt? Okay.
Don't interrupt.
General Bakshi, any doubt?
Don't interrupt me then.
Any doubt they are Pakistani?
Don't interrupt me. I'll keep quiet. You want me to keep quiet?
People are.
Not participate in the debate? I'll do that.
One minute, sir. I'd like you to participate, but G.D. Bakshi will tell you why they are Pakistani.
Ask your Indian panelists.
Sure, because you seem to be
Ask
silenced
them.
by the simple
You don't let me speak.
G.D. Bakshi.
You don't let me speak.
Brigadier Javed.
So I'll keep quiet. This is not a debate.
Brigadier Javed, can we? Brigadier Javed, can I? Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Brigadier Javed,
by all means. The floor is yours.
All right. Brigadier Javed, it has been standard Pakistani practice to send in people and then disown them. That goes back to 1947-48 when the raiders were first sent in and absolutely disowned till the United Nations itself found Pakistani troops on Kashmiri soil. That is what, triggered off those resolutions that Pakistan must withdraw from POK. Go back to 1965, Brigadier Javed. You are an SSG man. You again sent about 10,000 infiltrators. You disowned all those who were killed, caught or captured. Cut to 1999. The 3 Northern Light Infantry Battalion, there were 4 Northern Light Infantry Battalion people sent in fact. And when they were killed, they were captured, you refused to own up to their bodies.
Yeah, but
Take back their bodies.
No, General Bakshi, let's talk about today's context. Today's context is...
Today's context, it is the Lashkar-e-Toiba, Brigadier Javed. You have sent 2 trains, Jamaatul Dawa Express 1 and Jamaatul Dawa Express 2, from Karachi and Hyderabad to Lahore to have a jamboree for Mr. Hafiz Saeed, who sent those 10 people, 10 murderers to 2611 Mumbai. He rants and raves yesterday, and today we see the result. Do you not see the connection?
And if you want to declare war on India, declare war. But don't do it in this, this cowardly fashion, Brigadier. I mean, this is cowardice. If you want to declare war on India, you declare war on India. If you don't have the guts to declare war on India, then don't do the proxy war. You want to know why these are Pakistanis, sir? They have food packets with Pakistan stamps. They have shotguns which have Pakistan stamps. Third proof, Qari Israr, the slain terrorist, who is an elite commander, is a Pakistani. Point number 4, Pakistan has been making repeated attempts to infiltrate in the Uri sector in the past few days. The Pakistan-based LETA. Now you'll really, I'll give you more evidence. Point number 5. And Sayeda Abida Hussain, listen to this. The Pakistan-backed LETA has been involved in a series of attacks of this nature. The man you call a social activist, Hafiz Saeed, the Haidarpura attack in September last year was executed
by
his commander, Abu Qasim. Abu Qasim.
You are not a participant.
Sir, I am giving you facts. I want you to
Moderate
counter
the
me.
debate.
I want you
Don't
to counter
participate.
me. Counter me if you can.
I will counter you all the way.
I've given
If
you 5
give me an
facts. Counter me with
opportunity.
1.
You don't let me speak.
You
But why
always
have
say
you
I don't
called
let
me
you
here?
speak, but I'm waiting for you to give me one point in response.
Yeah.
1 point in response.
You have to have the patience to listen to your guests.
Sir, I have
Whether
all
they
the
are
patience,
Indian
but if
or
the
they are
guest does not have a
Pakistani.
line of argument, it's not my problem.
My line of argument, you haven't even seen it. You haven't heard it. What I'm trying to suggest is that go ahead, talk.
I haven't said a word. It appears
I'm a
to
good
me you
listener.
really don't have an answer. I have not said a word. I'm
Yeah.
waiting for you. 10 minutes
I'm a
into
good
the
listener.
debate, you are unable to give one line in response. All of India is watching you tonight.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Let me speak. Okay, let me speak. No, but you want to dominate the debate. Go ahead. The fact is that assuming that these people were Pakistanis, for a second, let's assume. I have been to Uri sector. I know that area like I know the palm of my hand. There are hardly a few infiltration routes across the LOC. Why were those routes not guarded? Why is the Indian units on the LOC so incompetent? There are multi-layered obstacles. In order to negotiate those obstacles, they have to spend time on the obstacles. Not only did they cross, assuming they were Pakistanis, they went across several kilometers all the way up to Srinagar and carried out these 4 or 5 attacks. Not possible.
I think
And
KC
you are-
Singh and
Hold
RSN
on,
Singh,
hold
1
on.
second. No,
You are
RSN
in
Singh,
a
you see,
state of denial.
one minute, just a minute.
These
You know
are
what you've done.
indigenous
Thank you
freedom
for
fighters.
making the biggest admission so far by any Pakistani officer on an Indian TV channel. You have short of admitted that you have been an infiltrator yourself. You, coming from a country whose soldiers say we have never done the cowardly act of infiltration, you have gone on to describe the infiltration route. You say it has multi-layered
Well, for your
obstacles.
information-
You say it has few routes. I
For
want to
your
ask you, how do you know?
information,
How do you know?
During the wars,
How
the
do you
two
know?
wars,
How do you know?
special forces operate
How do you
behind
know?
the enemy line.
Simple question, how do you know?
General Bakshi.
How do
He
you
will
know,
tell
sir?
you
Sir, this is
the
Arnav
role
Bia,
of
not
the
General
special
Bakshi.
forces.
How do you know about
the world over.
RSN Singh, how does he know about the
But
infiltration routes?
I have
And
just
by the way,
the incompetence of the Indian units
sir,
on the LOC.
Sir, we don't. You see, one thing.
But you are in a state of denial.
Sir, I'll tell you.
You deny that there is an insurgency in Kashmir.
Sir,
you
you-
deny
You see,
that there is an insurgency
Sir,
in 20 states.
Sir, the Pakistani, the Pakistani army is the Pakistani army. Sir,
But you don't want to run a program on them.
It's a debate, Brigadier. Listen to me.
A handful of Indian
You've
soldiers
revealed everything.
came.
You've revealed
You have
everything.
spent the whole day
Brigadier.
discussing,
One second.
presenting. Why not
Brigadier,
the Naxalites?
Brigadier, just now, 1 second. Just because you ended up admitting that you have been an infiltrator, just because you have ended up admitting on Indian television that you have been an infiltrator does not mean that you know,
I don't
you
buy
don't
that
stop.
crap.
One sec.
These were freedom fighters.
Sir,
Indigenous.
RSN Singh right now, a Pakistani brigadier, former special forces officer admits his role in infiltration on Times Now. RSN Singh, please respond, please. RSN Singh.
One of the most brilliant formulations today has been by the MEA spokesman today when he said what you have done is mainstreaming of terror by facilitating the congregation of Hafiz Saeed. Now, as brought out, you provided him trains, you provided him all sorts of
logistics. Too well.
You provided him all the logistical support. Now To do what? To kill democracy in India, the same democracy that you have killed in your country. And just because you all know that these elections in
What
Kashmir
democracy?
are not routine elections.
What
they will-
democracy are you talking about?
they-
There is no democracy there.
These elections will kill
Don't
your
read-
hysteria. These
don't read
elections
too
will
much.
kill your hysteria.
Don't
for
read
Kashmir.
too much into the
and
elections.
Brigadier, this is at a time when in the London conference on Afghanistan, your Prime Minister has been lamenting before John Kerry that, Pakistan's contribution to war against terror is not being recognized. And here he is providing all the support to Hafiz Saeed. Now, have you reduced your country's discourse to Hafiz Saeed, the scum on this earth, the scruffy, despicable man?
One man, Hafiz Saeed. He has become the nemesis of Indian army, the Indian politicians, the Indian
Brigadier Javed.
analysts.
So that
One
is-
man.
Brigadier Javed.
That is the discourse you are
A handful of
embarked on.
people-
We have
A
seen
handful
your
of people conducting 5 or 6 attacks.
Sir, there are. Sir,
And you
I'll
think
give
as if
you one description
the
of
Pakistan
cowards.
army has invaded India?
Sir, 1 minute.
Listen,
Just the
listen
way-
to me.
1 minute. Now,
Brigadier,
listen to me. Listen to me. One
Brigadier,
second,
your
sir.
Hafiz Saeed-
I would like.
Your-
I would like to inform Brigadier Javed Hussain, who says he's a proud soldier of the Pakistani army and has served in that department called the Pakistan Army Special Forces. First of all, what has Brigadier Javed Hussain done? He's admitted that he has played a role in infiltration because he's described in detail what he feels are the infiltration routes in the Uri sector.
Louder, I can't hear you.
Sir, you
Louder.
hear me loud and clear because what I'm about to say not something you like, but you need to hear. What you need to hear is that
Yeah, go
cowards
ahead.
attack by stealth and by night. And the cowards you sent tried to attack at 2 or 3 a.m. through an infiltration route which took place in the Mahura camp in the Uri sector, extremely close to the LOC, an area vulnerable to infiltration. It has seen multiple ceasefire violations, and you have tried to give cover every time to these infiltrators who cross over. I'm saying tonight, your army does not have the courage to declare war. But stop the proxy war.
Pakistan-
Because you're inviting trouble, and I now
Pakistan
go to
army
KC
has
Singh.
not invaded
KC Singh,
India.
you don't have the courage to,
Not
and
as
you
yet.
never will. But my question to KC Singh is, KC, how should we deal with this now? You've had 2 or 3 brazen attempts. You've had the full support to Hafiz Saeed. Over the weekend, we saw what they did, the kind of support the Pakistani army gave to what they call the Jamaat-ud-Dawa, followed by a series of attacks. What should be our effective response now after 11 of our men have been killed? KC.
You know,
You don't want to
strategically,
talk.
the government took a
What do
decision
you want? War?
4 or 5 months back. Brigadier, can you just keep quiet now? 4 or 5 months back, the government took a
sure,
decision
go ahead.
that they will not negotiate under duress. They will not negotiate if Pakistan was not going to follow certain red lines. No, accompanying that had to be a strategy of countermeasures. Now, I don't know if the government has developed them or is in the process of developing them. There are obviously countermeasures, some of which we can't discuss on television. But if you adopt a stricter policy towards Pakistan, then it has to be across the board. Then there have to be countermeasures. Because because today you have, the only difference is, this has happened many times before, the only difference is that the Pakistani civilian government is now completely aligned with the radical forces on the right and the military. In the past, they at least made a pretense of trying to control them or being unable to control them. But now they are actively supporting them. So the entire Pakistani state is aligned completely with the militants, the military and the civilian government together. Then there has to be a counter strategy. And the counter strategy has to be a series of pressure points, short of war, short of active hostility, which are able to put pressure on Pakistan. Now, whether those work from their western border, whether they work economically, whether they work going to the international stage and showing them that there is a person declared as an international terrorist and an international fugitive who's receiving active support. Don't forget, in the past, the US government has threatened Pakistan that we will declare you as a state sponsoring terror. They've stepped back from that. Clinton threatened Nawaz Sharif, in fact. So they've stepped back from it. But now a time has come where I think we should actively, diplomatically
put pressure on different countries and build up this very valid case that Pakistan is now a state directly sponsoring terrorism by giving a stage, openly a stage to Hafiz Saeed to incite and letting his hordes come across the border. Ceasefire violations are used to infiltrate. Brigadier Javed is ignoring a simple factor. Ceasefire violations have been going on for 4 months. And it is those ceasefire violations which have enabled the Pakistani military to push these people in. And of course, the trigger point is the successful election underway in Jammu and Kashmir, which is
But
really
this is-
calling
but-
Pakistan's
but-
bluff. The
but-
people
but-
are electing a government.
But Casey, we have to hit back. My point is, we have to hit back. Now, there are some peaceniks in India who say, we have to hit back now at the Pakistanis. My point is very simple. We debate this every night. What you're saying, what I'm saying, the time has come to hit back at Pakistan and to hit back so hard so that already a country economically, and Sayyida Abida Hussain, you realize the consequences of what you're doing, Ms. Hussain, are going to be terrible for a country like yours. You are economically on the brink, you're bankrupt. Socially, you are an unstable country. Politically, you are a chaotic country. In terms of sectarian, factors, you are a divided country. On top of it, now you want to take on India. What really is the imperative behind doing this? 73% voting in Kashmir? You think, Sayyida Abida Hussain, that you will change the international headlines about the huge success of the elections in Jammu and Kashmir by sending 6 cowards on the Uri sector? You really think so, Ms. Hussain?
You know, I don't know why I have lent myself to your tirades once again. Your office in Delhi that contacted me assured me that you would speak less.
Ma'am, you can speak as much as you want if you choose to give me a clear answer to this.
All right. Yes, I will give you a clear answer.
Waiting.
Today, the Chief of Army Staff of the Pakistan Army, General Rahil Sharif, has made a very strong condemnation of non-state actors bedeviling the situation and leading to acrimony between India and
Name the
Pakistan.
non-state actor.
He's
Name
made
him.
a very strong statement.
Who's the
today.
non-state actor you're talking about?
Non-state. The
Don't
non-state
interrupt
actors,
her.
obviously
Who is the
those
non-state
people
actor she's
that
talking
have-
about?
I'm talking about the very non-state actors that penetrated Indian territory.
Who?
Or the claim to Indian
But who,
territory.
Ms. Saeed?
We don't know who they are. They are non-state actors.
Really? You don't know
The mere
who?
fact that we say that they are non-state actors, we don't know who the hell they are.
Oh, you don't know
Now,
who the hell they are?
If you...
Okay,
No,
Seshadri.
we don't know who they are.
No, you don't know who they
We do not know who they are.
Oh, really?
No, we do not know who they are.
This is-
And how do you know when somebody is dead? How do you know who the hell they are?
Well, I know because
one should be
because
reasonable.
Kassav.
One should
No,
be
1 second. You're asking a question, counter question. Hear my answer, Miss Saida. Hear my answer. You asked a counter question. Have the decency to listen to my answer to your counter question. Your rhetorical counter question. The answer to your counter question is there is a man called Qari Israr. He is a Pakistani.
I don't know him.
He is from the Lashkar-e-Toiba.
You know him?
You know him?
You know him.
Ask Hafiz
You know
Saeed. Ask
You
Hafiz
know
Saeed, does he
him?
know him? Okay.
Do you know
Okay, so the question to you is, Hafiz Saeed, who you described last time you came on the news as a great social worker, was he the person who heads the Lashkar-e-Toiba and the Jamaat-ud Dawa? Is he the non-state actor you are talking about?
As far as I know, if he is behind in any way this episode inside what is claimed to be your territory, then yes, then he is in support of non-state
So what will you
actors.
do about
we
him?
We are quite clear on
So
the
what
issue.
will you do about? But Seshadri Chari, the counter question to that which I'd like to put to you, and please hear the other side. Miss Sayyida Abida Hussain now has almost admitted that this non-state actor who they have no control over is Hafiz Saeed. Last time she came on the program,
No,
she said he's a social
I have not
activist.
said that it is Hafiz Saeed. You are alleging that Hafiz Saeed is behind this Qari who has been killed.
No, I am
Now,
asking
all
you.
I have
I am
said
asking you whether
is
Hafiz
that
Saeed
the
heads the
Chief of
Jamaat-ud
Army
Dawa
Staff
or the
of the
Lashkar-e-Toiba.
Pakistan Army-
No, what's that? Does Hafiz Saeed head the Jamaat-ud Dawa?
I really have never encountered Hafiz Saeed.
No, but does he head the Seshadri Chari? Now she says I don't even know whether Hafiz Saeed heads the Jamaat-ud Dawa. Or what I know is that the Pakistan.
I have never. I have never encountered Hafiz Saeed.
You may
I
not
do
have
not
encountered
know
him, ma'am, but the
whether
fact
he's
is
heading
that
the
there is...
Jamaat Dawa or otherwise.
Ma'am,
I
your
do not know.
army...
Now, what
your
I do know
army...
is that you have just said that the Qari that has been eliminated by you is backed by Hafiz Saeed. This is your statement.
I am not saying
and
back.
Now you're imputing.
No,
your
I'm not saying
statement
back.
to me.
I am saying. One second. You must not get my words wrong, Miss Saida Abida Hussain. You are a diplomat. You should know that you should go by exact language which is being used. I am saying that Qari Israr is a commander of the Lashkar-e-Toiba. He's a Pakistani, and the Lashkar-e-Toiba is headed by Hafiz Saeed. Do you hear me correctly now?
Does he have a Pakistani passport?
Does Hafiz Saeed have a Pakistani passport? Yes, this man has a Pakistani passport. Yes, he has a Pakistani passport. Does Hafiz Saeed have a Pakistani passport?
What is your evidence?
I've told you the evidence. I've told you the evidence. Now,
no, on Hafiz Saeed, you have given me, you're alleging something.
No, one second.
Making an allegation.
So you have denied that.
Qari,
ma'am, you are using the Osama argument now.
Stated he's a Pakistani. What is your evidence?
Ma'am, I'm so surprised.
And
I'm so surprised, and if I may say so, don't mind it. Ms. Saida Abida Hussain, you are a very senior diplomat, but I know that I was told Pakistani diplomats have their facts right. I am horrified at your absolute and utter ignorance. Hafiz Saeed, if you want me to give you a ready reckoner, has got a $10 million bounty on his head from the United States. He is listed as an individual associated with the Al-Qaeda on the UN 1267/1989 Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee as an individual associated with the Al-Qaeda. He's been designated as a specially designated national under Executive Order 13224. I am so shocked at your ignorance tonight that even if you want to take that plausible line of deniability which you have used in the past, to be so utterly ignorant about your own citizen is shocking, Ms. Saeed. How can you be so ignorant about Hafiz Saeed?
Proceed to keep on heaping insult upon
Ma'am, I am giving you the facts and making an observation about your ignorance.
You are the epitome of diplomacy, doubtless.
I am very direct. I don't claim to be a diplomat. I am very direct.
These are facts.
I am direct. You are the diplomat.
You're not direct. You're downright rude.
I am direct. You can call it rude. A Pakistani will call it rude. I am being direct.
Extremely rude.
I want you to counter me if you can.
You're extremely pompous. You're extremely verbose. You're extremely rude. And pomposity itself.
Well,
now, your facts.
Counter me on facts, Miss. You are looking disturbed. Counter me on facts. Is Hafiz Saeed a Pakistani?
Are your facts?
Is he a Pakistani?
With any Pakistani whatsoever.
Is he a Pakistani?
They have nothing to do with any Pakistani.
Is Hafiz Saeed a Pakistani?
No.
He's not a Pakistani.
I have no knowledge.
Now you said not a Pakistani.
Whether he's not.
Brilliant.
I have no knowledge.
Now look at Seshadri Chari will respond now. Now they say when we counter them with fact.
You tell me what is your evidence.
Ma'am, I have given you so much evidence. What more do you need tonight?
Seshadri Chari. Good job of shooting up people in the heartland of India. Those who've been shooting up people, allegedly communists. In the Indian army.
I'd like Seshadri Chari of the BJP to respond, please.
How do we know whether they are Indian or not?
I would like Seshadri Chari of the BJP to respond to what I can only call a verbal contortion by the former Pakistani diplomat who has been unable to accept facts and now says Hafiz Saeed is not a Pakistani. Seshadri Chari.
Now, I think it's very sad situation today. We know there is a lot of confusion within the Pakistani society. The civil society is practically leaderless and directionless. Pakistan has slipped into the hands of the army long back. And for all that, the entire world knows Hafiz Saeed is the creation of the action against the Russians, and he was part and parcel of the Taliban, and he was specially recruited by the Taliban to lead the entire Taliban force, and then he went out of it and then created a number of outfits. From what Madam Saida has just said and Brigadier Javed Hussain has said, if you put these two things together, a number of facts come out. Number one, this entire operation that took place today is entirely pre-planned. Each and every terrorist, I'm calling them terrorists only temporarily. I'm going to come to that point after half a minute. Each one of them was carrying something like 15 to 20 kg of ammunition. It is not possible for an ordinary non-state actor, quote-unquote terrorist, to carry this kind of ammunition.
Absolutely.
He knew which is the route to enter, as Brigadier Javed has very clearly enumerated. He knew the routes, they knew the routes, they knew what to do, and they had come there with a total idea that they will get killed. So actually they are not terrorists, they are absolutely Pakistani soldiers, part and parcel
Exactly.
of the Pakistani army without the army fatigue. We must be very clear. You asked Pakistan, you pleaded with them that they should declare war on us. They have already declared war on us. They don't want democracy in Kashmir. They don't want us to live in peace. They don't want to talk to us. And not only that, Pakistan wants to really punish Obama for choosing to come to India and not
Exactly.
Islamabad.
It's attention-grabbing
The fact is, they cannot even prick USA with a safety pin. That is why they are attacking India so that they can vitiate the atmosphere. But
Right.
sadly, Pakistan army should know that we have defeated them 3 times. We will defeat them the 4th time, and that will be the last defeat. After that, Pakistani army will not exist because there will not be any Pakistan. Therefore, they must realize all these things and come and behave as a normal society. I don't understand why the diplomats and retired army officials, at least they can see through and they can prevail upon the Pakistani state to act in a manner which suits them internationally.
Precisely.
I'm very sad.
Precisely. So are all of us. And more than that, we are concerned at what is going on in Pakistan. I mean, Brigadier Saad Mohammed is a defense analyst. Brigadier Mohammed, tell me, I have pictures of 6 cowards who your Pakistani army sent here. Their bodies are lying there on the ground. My question to you is the same that I asked to Javed Hussain. He got very rattled. Are they Pakistani or not? Because a decent society after...
Ramesh!
1 minute, Brigadier!
Rattled.
Are they Pakistanis
You know
or
how
not?
to spell rattled?
Are they Pakistanis or not?
No,
My
they
first
are-
question. My second question
No,
is, will you claim their bodies back?
They are.
Are they Pakistanis or not,
they are
these
not
6?
Pakistanis. They are not Pakistanis. They are Kashmiri nationals.
There you
whom
are.
You have
There you are. This is
subjugated,
what-
Who want to fight off the Indian occupation of Kashmir. Why don't you acknowledge that?
Well, these are all...
You first
They have all
acknowledge that you
Pakistani
have
markings all
occupied
over them. The
7
evidence is
million
there with
people.
you.
You have
Isn't this...
subjugated those 7 million people. You are using heavy weapons against those 7 million people. The
Brigadier,
peaceful Kashmiris you are using them to
Brigadier,
fight back.
Brigadier,
Now, if you start killing
Brigadier,
people,
do you
they're
think,
going to fight back.
Brigadier,
Why
you
don't
know how
Why
only...
don't you acknowledge
Brigadier,
that there is a problem in Kashmir?
Brigadier,
you have occupied Kashmir.
Brigadier,
you have subjugated them.
Brigadier,
you are killing them.
Brigadier,
you are
what is-
raping the women
Brigadier,
there.
calm
you
down,
are killing
calm
children
down,
there.
Brigadier, calm down,
Why don't you
Brigadier.
acknowledge that?
Calm down, Brigadier, calm down.
I'm
Don't
calm down,
lose
I'm
your
calm down.
nerve.
You calm
Don't
down.
interrupt that raw man.
I'm calm down.
Don't lose your nerve.
Interrupt him.
Don't lose your nerve. I'm not interrupting. I'm just telling him to
You
calm down.
please calm down.
I'm telling you to
I'm
calm
very
down,
calm.
sir.